Hey there, it's Lisa. Today, we're making a classic comfort food, chicken noodle soup. It's perfect for when you need a warm hug in a bowl. Here's what you'll need for 2 servings. 2 chicken thighs, 1 carrot, 1 celery stalk, 1/2 an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of egg noodles, and 4 cups of chicken broth. Start by sautéing diced onion, sliced carrot, and celery in a pot with a little oil. Once they're softened, add minced garlic for an extra layer of flavor. Next, add the chicken thighs and let them brown on each side. You're not just cooking the chicken here, but also building a flavorful base for the soup. Then, pour in your chicken broth and bring the mix to a boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer until the chicken is cooked through. Now, remove the chicken, shred it, and add it back to the pot along with the noodles. Simmer everything until the noodles are cooked. And there you have it, a hearty chicken noodle soup that warms your heart and soul. Enjoy!